This is better than the buffet.
Try one.
Better than buffet.
Oh wow.
I'm recording you guys.
Mom.
How's it taste? Is this
Caught this morning. Hey, costume stuff.
Oh man, this is, you guys know how to, this is not camping. This is gourmet dining, man.
Hey, you know what? We'll make it up for following that thing. We'll catch any catfish thing.
If you get catfish.
Don't forget about it.
How's your noodle, young man? I can't see you.
We'll try it.
I'm recording you right now, buddy.
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, Clark, you guys come play over here because you guys are too noisy. People are sleeping over there. Come over here. You guys, play over here, you guys. It's too noisy. Yeah, play right here. Don't play too near the other people's tent.
Good answer. Yeah, that's time to go shop for me.
There you go, man.
There you go.
Girl Scout.
Yeah.
See, Calvin was told not to bring anything, but he was still prepared.
Oh yeah.
See, so he's a true scout.
Good.
Scout. He brought a whole